The question we need to answer in this case is, which spaceship can fly home? I'll start by labeling the fuel levels, ranging from empty at the bottom to full at the top. Green will show the current fuel level. Let's put all the spaceships up there and their fuel levels: red, blue, green, yellow, purple, and orange. There's one more piece of information we need to know whether any of these spaceships have enough fuel to get the aliens back to their home planet. That's how much fuel will take to get there. Are there any spaceships with enough fuel to get home? What do you think? Which spaceship can aliens use to fly home? That's right. The yellow one has enough.